Yeah.
Are you a Chinese people?
No, I'm not. I'm Vietnamese. Hi, officer.
Ah, okay, okay. I thought you're a Chinese.
No, I'm not. And you are from Indonesia.
No, you're
Yeah,
wrong. I'm from the Philippines.
just
It's
joking.
the same flag. Yeah. I know. Same flag.
Are
We're the
you
same.
are you a policeman?
No, I'm not.
Like a security guide.
Yeah, I'm a security guy.
Yeah, you are so handsome.
Yeah. What?
I mean, you are quite handsome.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. You're handsome too. Yeah.
uh,
So, how long did you use this application?
I've been using this platform for 1 year.
Wow, that's so long. And I know using this app, your English communication going better.
Yeah. This platform is useful for improving English speaking, and I have met 900 partners on this platform. So yeah, 900 people. So every day I spoke to 3 people. Yeah.
Wow. Me, I'm just using this app for almost 3 days now,
Oh, 3 days.
and yeah,
Your English is
I
good.
yeah. What?
I mean, your English is really good.
Yeah, it's really good because in just 3 days, my confidence is boost, and you know, the first day I use this app, I'm very anxious and nervous of what I said and the people in front of me. But later on, I realized that it's not that important. The important is you practice English.
Yeah, right. But your English is good, so why do you use this platform?
Uh, you know, sometimes I encounter a U.S. citizen and I don't speak on English fluently when we encounter surprise encounter, and I cannot speak how to speak. I just speak in my native language, Filipinos, but he cannot understand. So, I force myself to practice my English communication and find someone application to learn. And I find this it is very useful.
And do Filipinos speak English in daily life?
No, we,
Oh,
we, we cannot speak English in daily life. We just choose to speak English if you want. Because here, speak in English is bullying.
I thought that there are many Americans living in Philippines, so they often speak English in your country.
Yeah, English having a discrimination here. You have to talk on our native language. Why you talk on different language? There is a discrimination, but I don't like it. I want to have a new skill of learning of English of different countries. Yeah, it's your choice.
Right.
So, what is your job?
I'm a hotel receptionist.
Okay, a concierge or receptionist.
Yeah,
That's a good job
that's
because
right.
you are monitored. Yeah, you're. Of course, there is a security guy on there. I
Oh,
can I apply? Can I apply on your hotel?
sure. Yeah, we will. Yeah, receive your offer. I mean your resume. And you are handsome,
Are
so
you? Yeah, are you entertaining other country or a Vietnam only people?
I already visited Thailand, Cambodia, and Japan.
Oh,
And I see that there are many Filipino living in Japan. Yeah.
Yeah, because we find some high salary, and Japan currency converted to Philippine peso is very high money. So that we chose to we chose to go to other country that highest pay salary.
Yeah, I have a question. Yeah, I see that Philippines is a good ally of the America, of the US. So why the Philippines economy is like still developing, not like development economy?
Yeah, it is because there is so many crocodile in the politics.
So
Corruption
a lot of corruption.
is corruption is going bigger and bigger. And like Nepal and Indonesia, their government is down now because the Generation Z, or the younger people rally, and in September 21 here in the Philippines, that movement is also practicing in our younger generation, so that the police here is alert and having a plan on how to handle those rallies,
Mm-hmm.
because uh, a down government, other countries can occupy that country, like Nepal. US can get the Nepal, war.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah, time's running out. Glad speaking with you. Goodbye.